Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another training video. I want to inform something that for the next few weeks I'll be talking more about training part of fitness rather than diet, because I've seen that because of the heavy rain the gym is empty all the time, and I thought I'll make few recordings in the gym, so you can expect few training videos. And in this video I'll be talking about the difference between Romanian deadlifts and stiff-legged deadlifts. I've seen a lot of people in the gym having no idea about what kind of deadlift they are doing, because Romanian and stiff-legged deadlifts are two different form of deadlifts, even though it involves your posterior chain. Any form of deadlift involves your posterior chain, which means your hamstrings, your glutes, your lower back, and even a little bit of your upper back. So deadlifts, any form of deadlift will hit your posterior chain, remember that. Now we know there are sumo deadlifts, there's conventional deadlifts, but this variation or these variations which are sumo or sorry I must say stiff-legged and Romanian are more close to the conventional deadlifts than sumo deadlifts. So if you are a sumo deadlifter, forget about that. There's nothing, no relation between sumo and these variations. Now before I go to the commentary, I'll tell you one thing guys. No exercise is same for everyone, or everybody performs an exercise, or everybody is allowed to perform an exercise in a different manner, because we all have different limb lengths, we have different length of our lower body compared to the torso and whatnot. So do not worry about your form, and also some people are more flexible than others, right? So when you perform stiff-legged or Romanian, your range of motion or your posture will be different compared to a person who might be more flexible than you. So do not worry about that, and I'll cover that in the commentary. But that is all for the introduction. Let's move to the commentary, and I hope you all get something from this video.
So guys, first you need to know what conventional deadlifts are. Conventional deadlifts, you just perform a deadlifts and your back is neutral or your spine is neutral and your butt is slightly closer to the floor. So that is what conventional deadlifts are. So let's start off with the tutorial now. Now first, stiff-legged deadlifts. Clearly you can see that your back or your torso is parallel to the floor, and there is very less bend in your knees. The bend in your knees completely depends on your hamstring and your back flexibility, but for me this is all I can do, and this is the bend that I can keep. Some people can even keep their knees very straight because the hamstrings are very flexible, and good for you, so you can do that as well. But for me, I have a slight bend, but the goal here is to pull right off the floor very fast, okay? And the reason for that is this will move on to your conventional deadlifts. When you're pulling from the floor, it will help you in increasing or gaining strength in that part of the deadlift movement. So keep your torso parallel to the ground and keep a slight bend in your knees and do this exercise. Very simple, right? So setup and execution is very simple, just like your conventional deadlift. Keep a the distance between your foot should be shoulder width apart, and I use overhand grip or pronated grip because I do not want to use my biceps, because when you use heavy weights there can be little bit risk of injuries. So use an overhand grip and just pull and squeeze your butt at the top, that's all. And maintain spine neutrality. Now Romanian deadlifts. The difference between stiff leg and Romanian is very simple. The starting position for Romanian is top, and the ending position is again top. You just start from the top and end at the top. That is one rep. Now keep your back again very tight and very straight, okay? And of course you will feel little bit in your lower back, and all you have to concentrate is pushing your butt back and bending your knees. So the bend in the knees is similar to the stiff-legged deadlifts, slightly more than stiff-legged deadlifts, but bend your knees and push your butt back, and on the top squeeze your glutes, okay? You can see that hip drive, which means I'm pushing my butt forward. Again, for this also setup and execution is same. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. You can keep wider as well, but I keep shoulder width apart. Again, overhand grip, because overhand grip will not put so much stress on your biceps. So again, bend your knees, push your butt back and keep your back straight. In the Romanian deadlifts, you will feel slightly more tension on your lower back because you're keeping constant tension on your lower back. So again, you'll feel a lot of it on your hamstrings as well. A lot of stress on your hamstrings and your lower back. Great exercise. Now let me talk about the benefits of the stiff leg deadlifts. As you see me performing this exercise, it improves your deadlift strength at the starting position, like when you just lift the weight of the floor. So it will really help you in that, and also helps in maintaining proper posture during your deadlift. So if your posture is not proper during deadlifts, practice stiff-legged deadlifts, and also good for your lower back and for your glutes. So you'll get some good glutes, provided you do it. Unlike stiff-legged deadlifts, Romanian deadlifts helps you with the locking out in the deadlifts and also maintaining proper posture during conventional deadlifts, because it is more similar to the conventional deadlifts than the stiff-legged deadlift. So really good for your hamstrings and your lower back as well. If you want that Christmas tree, you can perform this exercise, and when you are very lean, it will show off. Your erector spine or spinal erectors will be shown. Now, in my honest opinion, both are equally good. Now, stiff-legged deadlifts can be beneficial for people who are facing difficulties with sumo deadlifts, because sumo deadlifts are slower off the ground, and Romanian deadlifts can benefit people who have difficulty in locking out and maintaining proper posture in a conventional deadlift.
So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Let me know what exercise or what kind of video you want to watch next, and also give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that red button, right above the comment section. You can leave whatever comment you want, but make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. And if you are looking for some training programs, visit shreyasKamath.com, and also follow me on my Instagram. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm just making some gains in my traps and some stretch marks as well. You can't do much about these stretch marks because I've tried everything, but you can't do much. So that's all guys. I'll be back again. Peace out.